Oh, it's playing. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I was on camera, that is. Well, today, obviously, bacon. What can you say about bacon? Some bacon is small, some is larger than other, and some is just right, just like they used to serve at the Waffle House. Now, when you're making bacon, aside from cooking the bacon, other considerations. One would be, sometimes you will find white meat on your bacon, and I would say that it is probably best, based on what I am seeing here, to trim this away from the bacon. It can actually serve as great tinder for your fire. It can be used as a facial cleanser or detoxificant. It can be used as a moisturizer for skin or as a window cleaner. Other things to think about when it comes to bacon. It's best to choose bacon that is a combination of brown, red, white, maybe a little black, all sorts of the colors of the rainbow, except blue, green, yellow, and maybe a bit of a tinge of yellow. Avoid green and yellow on your bacon. Green and yellow, I would say, from observational science. Well, let me think if there's anything else. Oh, I almost forgot. When you're making bacon, one very, very important piece of equipment to have is a bacon saw. What is a bacon saw, you may ask? Bacon saw is a round, circular blade capable of cutting a variety of items, cans, bottle tops, and of course, bacon and chestnuts. A bacon slicer. This podcast is brought to you by Bacon Slicer. So, I think that's about it when it comes to bacon. Happy Easter, and enjoy your bacon this Easter. Traditional Easter food, bacon. See how to turn this thing off.